Troubleshooting a Ubisoft game installation and noticed UPL files in the Ubisoft Connect directories? These manifest files tell the launcher everything about your game installation. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and here's what they do and how to manage them. Be sure to stick around for the end. I'll introduce the single most powerful UPL inspection tool that can address this entire problem, along with virtually every other file type you encounter. UPL files are game manifest files used by Ubisoft Connect, formerly Uplay, the game distribution and digital rights management platform from Ubisoft. They contain game installation, metadata, including file lists, version information, install paths, download status, and patch configuration data for managing game installations. UPL files are game manifest files used by Ubisoft Connect, formerly Uplay, the game distribution and digital rights management platform from Ubisoft. They contain game installation, metadata, including file lists, version information, install paths, download status, and patch configuration data for managing game installations. Most users will find that Ubisoft Connect, developed by Ubisoft Entertainment SA, is the best tool for UPL. The file's embedded scripts necessitate a sandboxed environment not offered by Windows. Windows cannot interpret configuration logic, so changes should be done only with proper understanding. We're testing the system's interpretation of the file's data. Right-click the UPL file and click Open with. Test Ubisoft Connect first. If it's unavailable, choose another program. The right tool is key. When your UPL file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. Understanding the failure makes the fix easier. Before we use the universal tool, let's examine the common technical reasons behind this persistent error. First, let Ubisoft Connect manage files. UPL files are automatically created and maintained by the Ubisoft Connect client. Do not manually edit or delete them. The launcher reads these manifests to verify game installations, track updates, and manage DLC content. Any corruption triggers an automatic verification and repair process. Next, verify game installation. If a game fails to launch or shows file errors, open Ubisoft Connect, navigate to the game in your library, click Properties, and select Verify Files. The client reads the UPL manifest and checks all game files against expected checksums, downloading replacements for any corrupted or missing files. Finally, repair corrupted manifests. If Ubisoft Connect cannot detect an installed game, the UPL manifest may be corrupted. Navigate to the Ubisoft Connect data folder and locate the UPL files. Delete the problematic manifest file and restart Ubisoft Connect. The client rescans game directories and regenerates the manifest for detected installations. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.